We're trying to add something new to our business to expand it and get to the next level.
Yeah, I have a window tinting business in Cape Cod, and I like to add auto detailing, so we're gonna start doing both, auto detailing and window tinting.
Well, I always like to detail cars, so stress relieving, relaxes me, so I want to take it to the next level, get a business going, and hopefully start something good, leave something for my kids.
I love cars. I love cleaning my own cars to gain general knowledge of business.
To become an experienced detailer.
I want to learn more about detailing cars, cleaning up, make some extra cash here, there, start my own business.
Detail. I love detail. So I'm working for company, right? This company, you always buy something from this company here. But he sent me here to get the class. After this class, I'm gonna be a master.
Here back again at Detail King to get some more knowledge and, help my business out.
Currently opening a business, want to expand it, get everything down packed so I know what I'm doing and I can please all the customers correctly.
You see, we have certain experience doing detailing, but we still think there are many things to know about. Our market, let's say it's growing, so since it's growing and we have high level of customers, we really need to learn more techniques, more things to give our customers, better services. And we have heard a lot of good things about you guys, and that's why we've come here to study.
Well, we're starting a new mobile detailing and shop business hopefully one day.
So far, it's been very educational.
It's very good. I'm learning a lot so far, and was the best choice to come here and take this class.
I like it a lot, way more than I expected, learning a lot, everything. It's good.
It's excellent. I mean, it's good information on a general level and a business level.
Yeah, I've been learning a lot this morning. Gave me a lot of information on the business aspect of detailing, so I'm really happy with how it's going so far.
Pretty nice, pretty informative.
That's fine. That's fine. Right now, I know how to manage the business. I know how to take care of the customer. So far, I'm good.
Love it. It's basically opened my mind up to a whole lot of different opportunities that I didn't see myself doing, but definitely a good thing.
I think it's amazing, man. There's a lot of new stuff that I didn't even know about. It's a lot of products that I was misusing that I'm actually learning to use. So I think it's a good class.
So you see, I'm the person in charge of the logistics of the company. So for me, today is very important. I really want to know how else can I help the company to grow. It's really just a family-based company right now, but we plan for it to grow as big as possible. I'm planning for it to grow from a 35 to a 45% just this year, and let's see what happens on the next ones. We do have employees, but I mean, mostly the managers are just the three of us right now.
Very, very, very assertive. They've been detailed about everything they talked about, so it's been really good.
Yes, very informative, I'm sorry. From the perspective of the legal side to the insurance, all the detail. It's
The
very
business
detailed,
aspect.
yes.
I thought it was great today. I learned a lot about the detail of the engine, how to, basically clean the base of the car before you would do your compound and your wax.
Was very good. I learned a lot of stuff I don't know, to do compounds, to do wax, finish, polish. I was very happy, and that was the best choice I make to come into King Detail to learn.
Well, I've been cleaning cars pretty much all my life, but coming here, I learned a lot of the business side yesterday and learned a lot of just getting down to the details of detailing, how to use the buffer the correct way. Just learned a lot. All positive vibes, everybody's helpful, very good here.
I thought it was great. Learned how to use the flex polisher, the different colored pads, the different compounds. It's what I didn't know coming in, and it's great.
I thought it was great. I've been detailing for a few years now, and after today I realized that I basically knew nothing. Like, everything I was doing was completely wrong. Just in the half a day today that we've been here so far, I've learned so much. Like, I know I'm gonna take it back and put it to real good use.
It's been pretty great, pretty informative. Learned how to compound, polish, and wax the cars, make them all look like new.
I was a baby, right? Now I'm grown up. When I first started yesterday, I learned about theory, how to do business, how to take care of everything, right? Today is the best day never in my life. I learned a lot. I thought I knew how about it. I was the best. When I'm here, when you show me how to do that, I didn't know nothing. Now I know.
Oh, well, I loved it. Basically, I got to play with a lot of different type of polishers that I've never used before. So it was definitely a great experience. Definitely learned about the different chemicals I can use to help better my outcome with as far as compared to the detailing. But great class, great opportunity. Come on by.
It was good. I came in, I learned a lot of stuff I didn't know, things I was doing in error, how to use certain pads, and when do I know to use certain pads. It's a good learning process, man. I encourage people to come, man. Don't want to burn no cars.
Well, it was a lot of fun. We learned a lot of procedures that we were probably missing. It was also really nice to be able to touch the paint and how it gets with all the pollution and well, dust, tar, etc. And well, and after doing the buffing and then the polishing, it was, you could tell the difference. It was so much better. And now we're gonna see other stuff. It was a lot of fun. We learned a lot and I really liked it. I'm really thankful to Nick and all his crew because they're doing a great job.
I enjoyed it. I'm actually excited. I'm a visual learner. I like to see it. I like to do it. So yesterday we actually heard about it, and today we were actually able to put our hands on the tools and actually clean the motor and actually wax the cars. So I learned more today than I did actually yesterday, and I'm absolutely excited to go back home and do all of this lovely stuff that I've learned.
It was just good to get hands-on. It was actually just good to, put our hands on the equipment and use the material. So product is good, so I'm looking forward to using it.
It was awesome. Great class. I learned a lot about how to take dog hair out of the carpet and how to properly clean the carpet with the extractor and detail the inside.
It's very good. I learned how to use the steamer, the extractor. I have no idea. I never seen in my life, and it was very, very good.
Learned a lot from start to finish. A lot of the trainers, everybody's very helpful, give you tips, hints, little secrets, how to make everything better. It was very good overall, good day.
Just like yesterday, it's great learning all the chemicals, all the tools. They go through everything and you really learn a lot.
It was great. I mean, I learned some new tricks. Basically learned that everything I was doing in the past was wrong. So now I feel pretty confident about going back and working on somebody's car. So I'm excited to get back and start doing it.
Pretty informative. I learned a lot about how to extract the dirt out using certain machines and everything. Learned about the tornador and how to put that pearl gloss on all the interiors and everything. Make the whole interior look like new.
I learned a lot, especially when you know which chemical you use, which brush you use, how you brush it, how clean inside. But a lot of customers like beautiful thing. So this class learned me how to keep the customer go and come back.
I loved it. It's great. In fact, I'm a detailer myself, but I basically learned about some new materials I can definitely use, some new ways of doing things to get a better result. It was great. I loved it.
It was good, man. I learned a lot, man. Didn't know what I was doing. I definitely wasn't doing shit right, but learning process, man.
Well, it was pretty nice to learn certain things that we hadn't done before, but mostly I really wanted to look into the equipment that you would use and I was able to look at this tractor, and it's really interesting. I really like it. We're looking forward to buying one, but maybe in the future, because it's worth it, but it's still a bit of investing, you know. And well, the other thing is the steamer. It's really useful. I can see how it works, because I was always a bit afraid of if it really worked or not. I was able to look at how well it works, and I really liked it. To learn more about the products and what they're for, because it's something different to just read the catalog, what it's supposed to be for, but then it's something totally different to actually be able to use it. We also found this particular stone to be very useful for dog hair, and we can also use it for like grass that really got into the mats. All of that was really, really interesting, and certain tricks that you taught us. It's amazing. I really liked it.
Awesome. It's probably just as important as the exterior, because when people spend more time in their car than looking at the car.
I would recommend it. It's a great training class for somebody that's had no experience on detailing.
Oh yeah, I recommend to anyone who want to open the detailing, or somebody else already have auto detailing, come here, you're gonna learn a lot.
Way more than I expected. A lot more knowledge, and I thought I was coming in just gonna learn some basics, but overall, this is the best place to come if you're on detail car. Definitely.
Yes, I would.
Yes, definitely. I'm definitely going to go around to everybody I know that's interested in detailing or already doing detailing. Even if they think they know what they got going on is the right way, I'm going to tell them. I think going to Detail King will make you a professional.
Yes. If I had someone who I was working with who needed to learn detailing too, I definitely recommend this class.
Yes, I did. So I learned in this class here. I got my friend live in Pennsylvania. I don't know where, but I spoke with them. I said, yo, I'm learning a lot of stuff here. He said, where? I said, Pennsylvania. Come in. He said, you learn a lot. I tell this guy, you're gonna come in and you see what happened.
Anybody that's detailing needs to come here, because I thought I knew what I was doing, and you know, you can always learn and polish up on everything you need to do.
I think everybody should come here that's trying to further yourself in the detailing career, to understand everything, know the products you're using, what it contains in it, when to use it, when to apply it. I think everybody should come here. Beautiful learning experience.
Yes, I would definitely do so, either if you have experience or if you don't. If you don't, you really need to pay attention. What we did is that we traveled 3 a.m. to come here. I was really exhausted at the last part of the class of the first day. So I would actually advise people to come well rested, because all of it is worth it, okay? But you have to put all your senses into it. You really have to pay attention to everything. You still have to study it in the future. This is very helpful. It gives you a really good guide on how to start the business, and they even have packages for you. So if you have no idea how to start everything with, because you've seen certain products that are for the outside, for the exterior cleaning and for the interior cleaning, and then others for buffing, and then now that we're gonna see the ceramic coating, so you have a lot of input coming to your mind, but then at the same time, whatever is it that you really need comes in a business package, so you can start with that. And definitely Nick and all the people here, they seem very helpful, very nice. They're always willing to give you tips, give you advice on what to do and how to do it and what to use. So you definitely have to come.
Yeah, definitely. Not competition though, you know, not competition.
You don't want them to know.
Nah. Yeah.